Hello teacher, my name is Fabián Bustamante. My section is 672-7V. Yesterday at work I cut my ankle with a zinc plate. My sister recommended me to go to the hospital, and they had to put 7 points on my ankle. On Sunday, playing soccer, I had a blow to my arm, which made me swell. So I had to take anti-inflammatories and pain creams. Today in the morning I went jogging with my sister and I fell, which my broke, which no why I broke my knee and blood started to leak. My sister cleaned my wound and put bandages on me and gave me pain medication. I was preparing a barbecue when I cut the meat. I had to take my finger and cut it. My dad took me to the emergency room and they bandage and me gave the medicine. Thank you.